Hello, Aya Faith. Happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang mabait at may takot sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, Aya Faith. God bless you. At hope na paglaki mo ay walang magbago at mabait na bata at may takot sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, Faith! Looking forward sa mas maraming gala kasama yung family nyo at family namin, kasama yung mga ikaw at saka si Baste. And
We'll play soon!
yay! Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday again, Faith!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Aya Faith! Mahal na mahal ka namin. Sana marami ka pang birthday na dumating. Love you, Aya Faith!
Happy second birthday, our dearest Aya Faith!
Time really flies kasi parang kailan lang nang malaman namin na darating ka sa buhay namin. And now, second birthday mo na. So, wish ko lang na maging healthy ka every day at maging happy in the future. Nandito lang lagi kami ni Mami mo for you. I love you.
Hi, dear Aya Faith! Hi, Kulot! Happy second birthday! Sobrang thankful pa rin kami until now at dumating ka sa buhay namin ni Daddy. As promised, kagaya na lagi namin sinasabi, we will do everything for you, anak. Nandito lang kami ni Daddy kung ano man yung kailanganin at gustuhin mo, and lagi lang tayong lalapit kay God. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.